It knows that we're on a Mac, so there you go. Look, download the latest version for the Mac. So I click on download. And here we go. It's about 28, there we go, 28.6 megabytes. It's done it. It's done it's a packet installation. So I click on it and up this pops. Click continue. Click continue. Click continue. Click I agree with the licensing because it is school software. Don't worry about it. It's not going to give a virus or anything. Don't you worry. Click continue and click install. You might get this. My password is the same as what I log onto my computer with. So I'll pop that in. Install software, and off we go. It takes a few moments to install this, but this is the best software. So less than a minute left. Gives you a rundown as to what we've done, introduction, readme, and everything else. And there you go. It has created a folder called Python 3.8 and put everything in it that we need. We are going to be using this idle. Okay, not Python launcher, but idle, I-D-L-E. Yeah. I'm going to close that, and I'm going to move the installation program to the bin. Yeah, and empty the bin. It should, there you go, it's put it at the end, look. It's put in the package there. I can click on this, up pops this window. It says idle at the top, and it should give you this window. If you've got a window with lots of text in, then you need to go to File, New File, and it will give you this white blank screen. Okay, like so. We can test this like we tested the online version. If I type in print, open brackets, single quote, or double quotes, and I can type in hello, try and sort my caps lock out, hello world, yeah, single quotes again to finish off, and I choose run module. It asks me if I want, so I must save it, so I click OK. First, hello world, click on save, and there we have it. Just printed out. Yeah, hello world, it's just printed it out to the screen. That is the end of this tutorial. Okay, you now should be able to attempt the tasks which are based around input, okay, from the book. I can put another video on if you need me to. In fact, I might do that. Okay, until later on this afternoon, I will see you.